Tomatoes are a versatile fruit, vegetable with various varieties, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants like lycopene. They support heart health, boost the immune system, aid digestion, and offer culinary flexibility.
Choose firm, colorful tomatoes, store at room temperature, and use within a few days.
Allergies are rare but possible.
Enjoy tomatoes raw in salads or cooked in sauces, soups, and other dishes.
Here are 5 surprising ways tomatoes can boost your health and immunity. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Tomatoes are a great source of antioxidants, with lycopene being the most well-known. Lycopene is a carotenoid pigment that gives tomatoes their red color. Antioxidants help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to chronic diseases and aging. By neutralizing free radicals, the antioxidants in tomatoes, including lycopene, can reduce inflammation, lower oxidative stress, and potentially decrease the risk of conditions such as heart disease, certain cancers, and neurodegenerative diseases. 2. Enhance immune function. Tomatoes contain several vitamins and minerals that support a healthy immune system. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties as it helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. Tomatoes also provide vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the skin and mucous membranes, which act as a barrier against pathogens. A strong immune system is vital for warding off illnesses and keeping your body healthy. 3. Improve cardiovascular health. The lycopene in tomatoes has been extensively studied for its potential cardiovascular benefits. Research suggests that lycopene may help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, and lower blood pressure. These effects can contribute to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, tomatoes are a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. The combination of lycopene, other antioxidants, and potassium in tomatoes makes them a heart-healthy food choice. 4. Boost eye health. Tomatoes contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that are essential for maintaining healthy vision. These compounds accumulate in the macula of the eye and act as natural filters of harmful blue light. They also possess antioxidant properties that help protect the retina from oxidative stress. Consuming tomatoes regularly, along with other lutein and zeaxanthin-rich foods, may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts, 2 common eye conditions that can lead to vision loss. 5. Aid in digestion. Tomatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps prevent constipation. It also provides a food source for beneficial gut bacteria, which contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. Moreover, tomatoes have a high water content, which can help prevent dehydration and promote optimal hydration, keeping the digestive system functioning smoothly. By incorporating tomatoes into your diet, you can take advantage of these detailed health benefits and support your overall well-being and immune system. Remember to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet to ensure a balanced nutrient intake. If you want to ask any question regarding health tips, please go ahead. We will provide you videos which will help you to understand the queries. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell button for new interesting videos.